All right, guys, this is Smart Concepts, and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be showing you all how you can use this brush. So this is how it works. Okay, this is the image. I just imported it to Photoshop. So what I need to do is just to duplicate the image. First of all, drag it to this plus icon, this one that is showing plus here. So drag it, then I go to select subject. After selecting the subject, you get in, check all those areas that is not perfect and try to fix it and make them seamless. You get, so just click here and also click here. Let me just get an accurate selection. I've selected the area I want get and the area that I don't want it to be part of image, part of the picture. So I just want to select the subject, you understand, and I'm done selecting. So I'm done selecting. So I'll just click max. I'll just max it. So I'll just come in my background layer. I'll just come at this my background layer and just click on this plus icon to create a new layer, a new empty layer. Then I'll go to my brush. Then let's say I want to use cloud. Then let me look for a cloud that is suitable and the one that I want to use. So let's say I want to use something like, hold on. Let's say I want to use something like the first one. Let's say this first one. I want to use something like this. I'll just increase the size. Then I'll make sure I change it to the color I want. Let's say because she's put on yellow, I want it to be yellow. I'll just select the dress. You get, and let me just bring it towards this place and all. So increase the size. Just just dab. You get, it's giving that cloudy feel. You understand? You can actually do this for different image. Okay, let's say I want to use it in this particular image. So what I need to do, I need to select the subject, which I've done already. So I need to go to my background layer and click on new layer. This plus icon. Then I need that cloud. That cloud now, how will I get it? I don't need to use blue, right? So I'll use maybe white, but there's white here already. Let's see if white will be effective though. So it's effective actually. You're seeing it small. So it's actually giving that realistic cloud. You understand? So you're getting that cloud and you can add it to spice up your image. We have other brushes too. So let me just delete this one and see if I can bring another one. Let me bring it, let me delete this one and see if I can. Okay, let me up layer. Click, create another one. And let's see if we can use another brush here. So let's say we want to use moon brush. Which one is moon brush? Moon brush, we have 20 moon brush here. So look at it here. So this one will just give you that moon feel. You understand? It just give you that moon feel. It depends on the area you want to position it. You understand? So there's area you want to position, you can just rotate it and let it all be as if the moon is coming from an angle. So you would have seen this, you would have seen something like this in different images, reduce your opacity. But then I don't want to use this moon. So we have different other moons here. We have like moon 2. This one is short. You get something like this. We have another moon 2. We have this one. You see this one. We have different. You see this one. See another one. Different kind of moon. You can use them in your creative process. You get, so let's check another one. So okay, these bubbles. You can use these bubbles in children pictures, like all these children pictures during their 1 year and all. So you can use these bubbles. You get something like that. You can use these bubbles in children pictures. So this is very creative also. This fire brush is, you understand, this is like a smoke. You can use it, you can literally use this one in your image too. You understand? To create an effect or something. You can create something with it. It's like this service, a concept. If I change this color now to yellow, I've gotten something. You get, so let me just say color overlay. Let's put yellow and see. Let's remove from brush and put yellow. You see, like you see what I'm trying to say. Like you see what I'm trying to say. Some people will think that this low shutter, you get all this low shutter effect, and you just blow it small until you give another feel. Blow it small and give another, and just drop the opacity down. You see, it's giving another feel. Or you can just try different blend mode and see which one that will make sense. You get which one that will make sense. You can just go overlay or lighting or subtract or subject. You understand? So all these things are nice in your creative process and they will make your workflow easier. So if you want to get these brushes, this set of brushes, and you just go to the description, download it, and also import it to your Photoshop and start making use of them. So this is how to import those brushes actually. So you just go to your brush tool, click on your brush, then click on this setting icon here. You see import brushes. So import brushes, then you go from where you've downloaded it. Like look at them here, water splash 3, real smoke. Real smoke. We have real smoke brushes here. You understand? So free meta, free hair in Photoshop, even free hair. We have free hair brushes. All those things, you just load them to your Photoshop. This real smoke, I've increased the opacity. So you just look at it, look how it looks like. So this is like a real smoke you get. So when you add this real smoke and everything will just blend. So let's say we want to make it more spicy. So let's say you want to make it, I create another new layer. Maybe I change the color down to the color of the dress. So I'm trying to put I'm trying to put in color so that it will blend more. So look at it. You understand? Making the smoke more spicy that flow with the brushes. So just get them for a little token. You get me. So subscribe to my channel. Stay glued to it. Also check out my digital projects. See, I have preset and they are available. They are usable. You can use it in your outdoor and indoor. Subscribe. See you in my next video. You enjoying watching that video, right? Yeah, subscribe. See you in the next video. Check descriptions for more details, and also if you want to reach out to me directly from mentorship and all, check out the details. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.